Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to wirelessly mirror iPhone screen without using any third-party app in Mac computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. Firstly, just search for iPhone mirroring and here you will see iPhone mirroring option. Just click on it. So now it will show you some instructions here. So on your iPhone smartphone, just turn on the Wi-Fi as well as the Bluetooth on your respective iPhone smartphone. And now on your Mac computer, just click on continue. Now it will show you the password to unlock. So you need to put your iPhone passcode or password in order to unlock your iPhone. So now on your Mac computer, just click on allow, click on get started. Now here you need to put your Mac computer password and hit enter. So now it's showing here iPhone in use. So you need to log your iPhone in order to connect your iPhone. So just press the power or lock button in order to log your iPhone. So finally you can see the iPhone screen is showing up on my Mac computer. That means the iPhone screen mirroring is working perfectly. Now you can control the iPhone screen using your Mac computer mouse. So you can see here I can control and even you can move it anywhere depending upon your needs. You can open any applications from here directly also. So you can see it's working perfectly, and in order to minimize it, just click on this button, then it will get minimized. And if you want to close it, just click on this cross button, then it will get closed. So by using these cool tricks, you can wirelessly mirror iPhone screen without using any third-party app in Mac computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.